Welcome to Still Moments Studio. My name's Paula. Thanks for joining me. Today I am going to be working on this painting. So as you can see, I've sketched it all out. This is the reference photo I will be working from, and I'm ready to get started. So first of all, I'm just dampening the area around the sun. I've already marked out where the sun is going to be, and I need to make sure that I do not make it smaller. So I'm going larger than the mark I made for where the sun's position was. This will be wet on wet around the sun and across the horizon into yellows and oranges. And then as that dries, I go ahead and layer in streaks of orange or yellow into the sun. Now that that's dry, I'm wetting the entire top and come back in with the blue. Now I'm edging the light streak on the water with yellows and oranges and spreading that underlayer of yellow throughout underneath this inlet. This is a cobalt blue with just a bit of green in it, and I'm going to vary throughout how much green I've added or how much blue. One of the mistakes that could be made is the land formation in the background here. You might end up painting it all a solid color, and if you look real closely right in through here, where the sun is the most intense, right underneath here, it is almost an orange brown. And as it moves out to the side, it transitions into a cool blue tone underneath there, a blue hue, off to both sides. So orange brown transitioning across into a blue brown. Here is a very dark shape because of the brightness of the sun. I don't have to go this dark and I don't have to paint it black. I'm going to use brown with just a bit of blue and black in it. I need a muted tone over here so that it sets off how bright the light is. So if we look at the boat right here, I'm going to just be using neutrals. A lot of times for a neutral yellow or sandy color, I'll use yellow ochre with just a bit of blue in it. It creates a beautiful neutral. So as you can see, then the shadowing from the boat will be in this direction, but because of the rippling of the inlet, it comes this direction and then it dog legs to the side. Now to finish up, I'm just adding layers of ripples. And again, more layers. I have to decide how dark I want this to go, and I've decided to just leave it light and airy. Because it's watercolor, I don't need to make this very heavy. So I am going to go ahead and call this painting complete. As you can see, it turned out very soft and just a pleasant evening scene with a sunset and a boat. This is the reference photo that I used, and I could go several shades darker. As you can tell from the end result, I could have gone quite a bit darker there. I hope you've enjoyed this process with me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. We'll catch you next time.